Only 4 minutes to record, so before I delete the one I've just uploaded, show you how we're getting on. Did the rest of the frame building ones with silver screws, but I saved the gold coloured one till last. Solid frame to put the outside on. Once I trim it up. Same as putting the lid on. Just seal it straight up on the outside. Put the birdhouse on the inside. A couple of runs to start them off so they move out of the birdhouse, the worker bees, and leave the little birdhouse in the middle of it. If you see what I mean. And they work from the inside out, so they'll be left to nature to sort their own thing out. I've just built them a new home while the others use their weed killer shit that's killing them. So who's helping nature and who's destroying nature? There's the lesson. Right. Oh dear. And it ain't cost me a thing to do, because it's all recycled stuff. What do you reckon, Roxy? We're getting there? My bro's welcome anytime he wants to come over, but my actual bro has got an attitude problem down in Kent, so I told him to fuck right off. Fancy little fucking lady boy. You know what I mean? Go and listen to your wife and sit in the corner and do as you're told. Men don't do that. They go out and bring home the bacon properly. That's why me and Tyler laughed at the Wheels on the Bus song. Right, well, I'm going to have a nice cold one when it's safe for my bro to come and feel comfortable here without the local village KKK playing mind games with him. Then we've really taught the ignorant a lesson they'll never forget. Album playing out the window today while I build the beehive frame. Hops in, not madness. Here's someone quietly banging next door. Just tapping away. But, and this is the thing, while I'm sitting on the floor the camera can't see me, so he has to peek through the holes in the fence or get his friend to watch